Because now I'm trying to get accepted. Say accepted. I'm trying to get accepted with somebody other than the dysfunctional family that has me. I want to find out if I can go, excuse my language, be white for a minute. You know, white look right, everything right. Because over here in the hood being black, it was just tore it from the floor up. All right. I had identity problems. Highs and lows. When I have these high places, they would call it mania. And mania means you just think you're on top of the world. I can believe I can fly. Thank God I didn't jump off no building trying to see if that was true. Right. But I didn't know that was mania. Then when I hit them low places, they would be boom, depression. Oh, I can't get up, I've fallen. And my favorite words used to be what? I wish I was dead. I want to kill myself. That was the only sedative and the only solution I knew. Now, I was spoiled. My mother took good care of me. My granddaddy took care of me. My grandmama never took care of me. But I don't think my mother taught me how to survive. I think my mother taught me how to run home. Every time things got rough, I'd pack up and go home. I'd pack up and go home. You know, some kids can't go home. But thanks be to God, she had a revolving door for me. I could pack up and go home. But guess what? It wasn't until my mother died in 1989. No, my brother died with AIDS in 89. My mother died with cancer in 90. The two solid foundations that I had was gone. My rescue vehicle was gone. So now I'm faced with getting high for 7 months straight from January of 89 all the way to September. Until I decided I'm going to try this Jesus thing. Because I was tired. Here we go now, roller coaster ride. So when I tried the Jesus thing, I did not know at the time that the prayer and the Jesus, my faith was strong long as I was in the church. Say in the church. You know, you got to stay in the church. If you get delivered in the church, if you get set free in the church. But if you leave the church, then what are you faced with? Same demons. Same demons. Because you no longer have the same support group when you're outside of the church.